Today we will be making this poster. The background I actually got at freepik.com. It is a free website. Unlock with the little padlock and duplicate the layer. I have already opened up the flyer that I wish to use. Get the marquee tool and put a box around the top marquee. Copy, go to the next flyer we were working on and paste. Go to Edit, Transform, Perspective. Drag the arrows till you are happy. Click OK when you've finished. Use the rectangle tool to create a rectangle. Use the eyedropper to make the colour the same as the light colour in the bottom flyer. Click on the FX button, which will open up Layer Style. Click on the drop shadow. The panel will open up. Click the drop shadow, make sure global light on. We now use the angle tool and scrunch it round until we get the shadow where we require it. Once you are happy, click OK.